Hey there, gadget enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting video lined up for you as we count down the best cool gadgets on Aliexpress. All the links of the gadgets are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest gadgets experience. So, let's get started. Introducing the Solar LED Wall Light. The perfect solution for outdoor lighting that doesn't require any electricity or wiring. This innovative light features a solar panel that charges during the day and automatically turns on at night. With a full charge in just 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, it can provide up to 8 hours of continuous lighting. And with its IP65 waterproof rating, this light is perfect for all outdoor environments, providing rain and lightning protection so you can have uninterrupted lighting even on cloudy and rainy days. With 2 color options available, white and warm light, you can choose the perfect lighting style for your outdoor space. Whether you're looking to add some ambience to your garden, light up your porch, or increase the security of your home, the Solar LED Wall Light has got you covered. Are you tired of struggling to slice your hard-boiled eggs evenly or making a mess while trying to cut soft fruits and vegetables? Look no further than the Multifunctional Egg Cutter. This amazing tool is perfect for slicing your hard-boiled eggs, as well as soft fruits and vegetables such as strawberries, bananas, mushrooms, and more. The egg cutter features rust-proof stainless steel wire blades that provide extra sharp cuts every time. And the highly durable PP plastic ensures that the tool will last you for years to come. The egg cutter's 2-in-1 design includes sections for cutting your egg into crosswise slices or into 6 even wedges. So, no matter what your preferences, this tool has got you covered. Cleaning up after using the egg cutter couldn't be easier. It's dishwasher safe, for you can simply rinse it under running water. Using the egg cutter is simple. Just place your egg or fruit or vegetable on the surface, pull down the handle, and enjoy precision slices every time. Measuring angles and distances correctly is important in woodworking. That's why we're excited to introduce the Square Angle Multi-Combination Ruler Set. This tool set is made of strong stainless steel that won't rust. Its markings are easy to read, and it measures both inner and outer angles. The ruler is 12 inches long and has marks from 0 to 180 degrees. It makes measuring fast and simple. The set also comes with different parts like a depth gauge, height gauge, marking gauge, center head, square head, protractor head, spirit level, and scribe all in one kit. The ruler is designed with a special edge, knob, and fine adjustment to make sure your measurements are as exact as possible. When you're done using it, the Square Angle Multi-Combination Ruler Set stores easily and keeps your work area tidy. The Square Angle Multi-Combination Ruler Set is perfect for anyone who wants to measure accurately. Get yours today and create precise pieces. Introducing the Pet House Super Soft Sleeping Bed, the ultimate relaxation spot for your pets. This unique pet bed is designed like an ancient building with customized sweet house features. It comes in classic styles and bright colors that will complement any home decor. This pet house is suitable for both cats and dogs up to 8 kilograms. Its unique design creates a cozy and comfortable space for your furry friend to relax in style. The bed also comes with a curtain that can be let down while your pet is sleeping. The removable cushion has a smooth zipper, making it easy to clean and maintain. Order yours today and watch your furry friends snuggle up in comfort and style. Introducing the LED Touch Sensor Rechargeable Lantern, the perfect solution for all your lighting needs. With 6 warm LED light beads, this lantern emits a soft and cozy glow that will make any space feel welcoming. Made with high-quality ABS material and weighing only 308 grams, this lantern is durable and lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Featuring a powerful 1200 mAh battery, this lantern can provide up to 5 hours of bright light on the highest setting. And when it's time to recharge, simply plug it into any US port for a quick 4-hour charge time. The touch sensor allows you to easily adjust the brightness level to fit your needs. Experience the convenience and versatility of the LED Touch Sensor Rechargeable Lantern today. Do you struggle to keep your home organized? Whether it's clothes, towels, or coats, finding the right storage solution can be a challenge. Introducing folding hanger hooks, the perfect solution for organizing your bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, hallway, and more. With 2 ways to install, on the wall or over the door, these hooks are versatile and easy to use. Plus, the black and gold design adds a touch of elegance to any space. The folding design allows you to save space when not in use, making them perfect for small apartments or homes. These hooks are strong enough to hold your heavy coats, yet gentle enough to hang your delicate scarves or towels. So why wait? Get your folding hanger hooks today and start organizing your home in style. Are you tired of struggling to cut fabric in straight lines? Do you wish there was an easier way to get precise cuts for your sewing and crafting projects? Introducing the professional lacer guided scissors. With its built-in lacer guide, cutting fabric has never been easier. Simply turn on the lacer guide and follow the line for perfect, straight cuts every time. These scissors are perfect for sewing, quilting, and all kinds of home crafting projects. The professional lacer-guided scissors are also great for gift wrapping and other DIY projects. Their ergonomic design makes them comfortable to use for long periods of time. So if you're looking for a better way to cut fabric, wrap gifts, or tackle any kind of DIY project, try the professional lacer-guided scissors today. Professional lacer-guided scissors, the perfect tool for all your crafting needs. Do you have multiple devices that need to be charged every day? Is your desk cluttered with tangled wires and charging stations? Introducing the wireless charger stand for iPhone. This innovative 3-in-1 charging station can charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. With 15 watts fast charging technology, you can quickly power up your iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, XR, X, 8, and even your Apple Watch 8, 7, 6, 7, and AirPods Pro. The Pad Dock Station is designed to fit perfectly on your desk or nightstand, making it easy to keep all your devices organized and ready to use. No more tangled wires or cluttered desks. With the wireless charger stand for iPhone, you can say goodbye to the hassle of multiple charging cables and hello to a more convenient and organized charging experience. Get yours today and start enjoying the benefits of a fast, easy, and clutter-free charging solution. Do you love spending time outdoors but struggle with finding a sturdy surface to place your drinks and snacks on? Introducing the Camping Beach Folding Table, your solution to outdoor dining and drinking woes. This 30 centimeters outdoor picnic foldable portable wine table is perfect for all your outdoor activities, camping, picnics, beach trips, and more. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around and store, while its durable construction ensures that it can withstand the elements. The Camping Beach Folding Table has a sleek and modern design, with an easy-to-clean surface that is perfect for food and drinks. It also features a secure holder for your wine glass, so you can relax and enjoy your outdoor experience without any worry. So why settle for a sandy or unstable surface when you can have the convenience and comfort of the Camping Beach Folding Table? Get yours today and take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Introducing the Portable Car Repair LED Flashlight, the ultimate tool for any roadside emergency. This flashlight is packed with features to make your life easier. With its strong magnetic suction on the back, you can attach it to any metal surface without worrying about it falling off. The retractable magnetic pickup rod allows you to easily pick up small metal objects that may have fallen into hard-to-reach places. The intelligent display of remaining power lets you know when it's time to recharge. So you're always ready for any situation. The side lamp is capable of rotating 90 degrees, giving you flexibility in the direction of the light. And with the 360-degree rotary hook design, you can hang it up wherever you need it. Get the Portable Car Repair LED flashlight today and stay safe and prepared for any situation. Cleaning your toilet should be easy, but traditional toilet brushes can be messy and hard to use. That's why we made the Silicone toilet brush. The Silicone toilet brush has lots of features that make cleaning your toilet quick, easy, and clean. First, you can replace the brush head when it gets worn out, so you don't have to buy a whole new brush. The brush bristles are soft and gentle, but they still clean deep into the toilet bowl. You can put cleaner right where you need it using the liquid outlet on the brush head. When you're done, you can hang the brush up by its base to keep it clean and dry until next time. If you don't want to hang the brush up, you can store it on the ground using the base. And because the brush is designed to fit close to the wall, it won't take up too much space in your bathroom. So if you want an easy-to-use, hygienic toilet brush that works well, try the Silicone toilet brush today. Babies love to explore, but sometimes they can get into dangerous situations by opening doors and running away. That's where the universal door lever lock comes in. The universal door lever lock is a special tool that stops babies from opening doors when adults aren't looking. It works on all handle door locks and is easy to install and use. Grown-ups can still use the door, but the lock keeps babies safe from getting lost or running away. The lock can be adjusted and turned 180 degrees, and it's perfect for lots of different situations. With the universal door lever lock, you can relax knowing your baby is protected from danger. Get your universal door lever lock now and keep your baby safe. Introducing the automatic pet feeder. The perfect solution for ensuring your pet is fed on time, every time. Made from food-grade materials, this product is completely harmless to both pets and humans. With its sleek and simple design, it's a great addition to any home. With its timing device, you can adjust your pet's dinner time within 24 hours. So, whether you're running late at work or out for the day, you don't have to worry about your pet going hungry. The automatic pet feeder has 6 grids, allowing you to preset 6 different times for 6 meals. You can even put 6 piles of rice into the grids, making mealtime a breeze. Get your automatic pet feeder today and give your pet the love and care they deserve. Are you tired of settling for expensive and watered-down juice from the store? Introducing the wireless portable juicer, the innovative solution you've been waiting for. Its wireless portability. You can enjoy fresh squeezed juice on the go, anywhere and anytime. The juicer is also equipped with convenient USB charging, making it easy to power up and use whenever you need it. Its large diameter ensures that there's no residue left behind, and the delicate and slag-free design delivers real juice without any added water. You can rest easy knowing that the juicer is made with only high-quality food-grade materials. Get your hands on the wireless portable juicer today and experience the taste of real juice anywhere and anytime. Do you ever find yourself struggling to fit all of your credit cards, IDs, and other essential items into your wallet? Are you concerned about the security of your personal information when using your cards? Introducing the card holder wallet, the ultimate solution for those seeking both functionality and security in a compact design. With its sleek and slim design, the card holder wallet can hold up to 12 cards at a time, ensuring you have everything you need without the bulk. The advanced terfit blocking technology also guarantees that your personal information is protected against unauthorized scanning and theft. Made with high-quality aluminum and vintage metal finishes, this wallet is durable, stylish, and perfect for both men and women. And with dropshipping options available, it's easier than ever to get your hands on one of these convenient wallets. Don't sacrifice style or security for convenience. Get your card holder wallet today and keep your essentials organized and secure. Are you tired of using multiple appliances to prepare your meals? Look no further than the Multipurpose hand mixer. This versatile kitchen tool provides 3 regular speeds and a turbo charging function. The mixer starts from a low speed and gradually speeds up when turning into each speed, effectively reducing splashing. This multi-purpose hand mixer also includes an electric mini garlic chopper with 3 built-in 304 stainless steel blades. These blades ensure that your food is evenly chopped, and the bottom cutting blade has a 45-degree angle with a speed as high as 1,800 RPM to realize 8-second fast, all-round cutting for better chopping and blending. Get your multi-purpose hand mixer today and start enjoying hassle-free meal preparation. Introducing the Multifunctional household juice machine, the perfect addition to your kitchen. With its innovative look and wireless portability, this juice machine is designed to make your life easier. You can take it wherever you go, thanks to its wireless design. And with USB charging, there's no need for cumbersome cords or power outlets. Simply plug it into any USB port, and you're ready to go. Cleaning up has never been more effortless. The Multifunctional household juice machine is easy to clean, so you won't have to spend hours scrubbing away at messy residue. And the best part? You'll get quick, fresh juice every time, with no residue left behind. That means you get the most out of your fruits and vegetables, without wasting a drop. So, whether you're a busy mom, a health enthusiast, or just someone who loves fresh juice, the Multifunctional household juice machine is perfect for you. Get yours today and enjoy the benefits of healthy, delicious juice anytime, anywhere. Are you tired of struggling to find the right pot or pan when cooking your favorite meal? Do you often find yourself digging through a pile of lids to find the one you need? Introducing the Pots and Pans Organizer Rack Multilayer. This innovative organizer rack is designed to help you keep your pots, pans, and lids organized and easily accessible. The Multilayer iron wire bilateral pot cover storage rack features multiple tiers that can hold everything from large stock pots to small saucepans. The racks are also adjustable, allowing you to customize the spacing to fit your specific needs. The Pots and Pans Organizer Rack Multilayer not only keeps your cookware organized, but also gives you more counter and cabinet space. It's perfect for small kitchens or anyone looking to maximize their storage space. And when it comes time to clean the rack, simply wipe it down with a damp cloth. Say goodbye to cluttered counters and disorganized cabinets with the Pots and Pans Organizer Rack Multilayer. Upgrade your kitchen today and start cooking like a pro. Introducing the Multifunctional Bottle Opener Kitchen Tools. Our innovative product is an electric automatic Canton jar opener that features a one-touch operation for your convenience. Finally, you won't have to struggle with opening jars or cans, because this tool does the work for you. But wait, there's more. Our multifunctional bottle opener kitchen tools are not only designed to open cans and jars easily, but they are also portable and multifunctional. Use them to open bottles with twist-off caps, pulled tabs, or even soda cans. Plus, our product is small enough to fit in your pocket, making it perfect for outdoor activities like camping or picnics. So how does it work? Simply place the tool on top of your jar or can, press the button, and watch as the opener does its job. The device will automatically turn off once it's done, saving you energy and preventing accidents. Our multifunctional bottle opener kitchen tools are perfect for anyone who wants to make their kitchen tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you have arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, or simply want to save time in the kitchen, this product is for you. Don't let stubborn jars and cans ruin your day. Try the multifunctional bottle opener kitchen tools today and experience the convenience of hands-free, effortless opening. Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing away at stubborn stains on your dishes, tiles, and bathtub? Introducing the wireless electric cleaning brush, the revolutionary new cleaning tool that will change the way you clean forever. This powerful brush is wireless, which means you can take it anywhere you need to clean without worrying about tangled cords or finding an electrical outlet. The brush head is made of durable materials that are tough enough to tackle even the most stubborn stains, yet gentle enough to use on delicate surfaces like glass and ceramics. With the wireless electric cleaning brush, you'll be able to clean more efficiently and effectively than ever before. Say goodbye to sore arms and tired hands. This brush does all the hard work for you. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.